All straight Pete, Sicko in crypto. Here we go. This is your Mexc. This is your home. This is your markets, futures, spot, favorites, futures, excuse me. And then if you check here, you go to futures, we like to trade JT. Oh, it's a big favorite. Go to your wallet. Go to your spot. If you have your money in your spot, go to transfer. You're then going to go to your spot, flip it. You're going to take your futures, and then you're going to hit all. You'll then be able to transfer all of your spot to your futures. Fortunately for me, I have it already there. I started with $20. I don't know if anyone understands that. This balance went all the way up to almost 400. Got my ass kicked a couple days ago, but it's okay. No big deal. The point is we started with $20 trading leverage. This is not a normal thing here. So say you want to just trade Bitcoin, right? Let's talk about it. So any obvious asset you can do. Currently, right now, we have $190 in here. Limit order buy. These are the two favorites. I love to do market and I love to do limit. Now, market is the current price of what the asset is. So you can see 42,255, 256. That is the current. What you want to do is, if you see here, there's a 26% of your portfolio. 27% of my portfolio right now on this specific account is $51.38. I can open a long. I could short. The market is the price that it's at. How many times leverage is probably one of the most important things you want to set up first. So if you're new, I would say trade 3 to 7 times leverage. Get used to this. You can open up a position by just hitting open long or hitting the open short button immediately with all this set. You can see we're at a 7 times. The market is the price. If I want to set myself up, I'm looking at the charts and I see that 42,000, or let's just say 44,000, right? It's been going up there. 44,000, I'm going to do 0.01 just to make it look a little better. You can see the price. When it touches that price, I'm going to take 17% of my portfolio, which turns out to be on this particular asset, $32. I'm going to short it. So now I put an order in, limit order, to open up a short. Now it's not there because this is your position screen. Now here's the open orders, and it tells me what I did. So when this price triggers at 44,001 cents, it will actually trigger my short position, hoping and betting that we will go down 7 times leverage. So whatever money I do, I'm borrowing it 7 times. You can go all the way to 200 times. This is very dangerous if you don't know what you're doing. It's very dangerous if you know what you're doing. So long story short, go over to there, hit cancel all. We're not going to do it. We don't want to do it. But we do want to know how to take profits, right? That'd be very important. You put a position in, you go over here, put your position in, it'll tell you what position you have. You'll then go over to close. So let's see if I can do a small position just to show you guys what I want to do here. Let's see, $3. We're doing 7 times leverage. Obviously, it's not going to be a lot of BTC. It's 0.0301. If I put the leverage up, it would be higher. So right now, let's say I think it's going to shit the bed a little bit. We'll hit the short button. Oh, that's right. It was at that. Let's do a market order. Market order. I'm going to hit the short button. I don't even want to do any money. It's $1.80. I just want to show you. So boom, I'm going to short. I'm in a position now. Now it tells you how much money I have. To the right is your percentage of parentheses in the green there. We're in the green. And we're up 0.001 cent. Now, every time this moves, obviously it'll tell you we have $3, 3% of our margin in. You can see margin USDT. There's $1.81 in the whole margin. So you can lose $1.81 or you can make whatever. The price that you got of that was 42,226. Now, let's just say I want to close it really quick. Flash all, confirm, you close. We lost 0.0038 cents because we paid in fees. We're at an even Steven on the trade right now. Now, if I want to close and I want a dollar cost average out, I have 200,000 or I have $100 or 1,000. It doesn't matter. Say I have $1,000. Well, I want to get out 500 of my profits, 50% at this price. So either at the market now or a specific price. So the price, let's just say I'm shorting this. I want this to go down. So I want 42,000 even. Let's just say 42,200. So when this is done, this is how much money I make. You can see the price telling you on the bottom right, estimated P&L. Hit confirm. Now when that price hits that 4200 price, I will be triggered the price to take my profits or loss, depending on the situation. Now here we go here. I could take a profit if I'd like, or I could take a stop loss. I want to mitigate my loss. I'm going to bed tonight. So if this goes up to 43,000, then I'd be willing to take a 23-cent loss max, 12% of my money. You can see it's It's a large amount, 13%, 12%, but we're only using $1.80 as an example, so I won't lose a lot. So I'm mitigating my losses here as I'm going to bed. I'm getting ready to put a stop loss. I'm shorting it, so if it does go up in the opposite direction I'm betting on, then I will make sure that I don't get liquidated or lose all my money by putting a stop loss. Now, if I want to take profits in the middle of the night as well, then I'll just say, okay, I'm shorting it, so I'm hoping that 41,000 goes down. I will make 36 cents, 20% of my money, you can see in the green, and then I would hit confirm, and I would be done. And now my orders are put in, and I'm covered. But I don't like what's happening, so I flash close, I get out, and now you can see my balance, 190.46, and I'm out of the trade. I have no trades going. You can see position zero. If you go into another asset, though, you will have a position if you have one. So please be careful. I have an open order on Avalanche, and I'll tell you right fucking now, I had no clue I had an open order. This is an accident. This is 100% an accident. I really don't know how that just happened. Wow. Oh, that was the Bitcoin order. Okay, I put a Bitcoin order in. I'm sorry, it wasn't Avalanche, it said Bitcoin. But here you go. Pay attention. I have your open order there. You'll always be able to know. So that's pretty much a quick tutorial. If you want to change your leverage, it's up here. If you want to open, close, trade, it's here. Here's your percentage. Obviously, we got a lot. There's AVAX. You could trade. Let's see what else. Did we miss anything? So it seems like that's pretty much it. If you hit on the bottom here, this will show you your charts. So if you want to change to your charts, 15-minute, 30-minute, you have a chart on the bottom as well, so you don't have to flip to your screen back and forth and go crazy. So my name is Wall Street Pete. I hope this tutorial helped you out. Please be careful. If there's anything we missed, we would love to cover it. This is just a quick tutorial on how to start your leverage trading. This is Mexc. Enjoy. And most of all, I have a referral code showing coming next.